Good afternoon, my name is Eissa Cabañero and I will assemble this system unit. So first, this is the motherboard, which is named AMD CF-A7 MX Series 1.9. So this is the first thing to put in here. So this is the CPU, which is AMD Athlon YN2. So we will insert it here. Next is HDD. Next is the HDD, which is serial number Q49HOV8, and the model is J816OS. Then it will be next is the power supply, which is a ATX 12 volts 2.31. Brand name is Thermal Take. This is the ATX power connector. So it has the back part. It has many ports, which is the power in, PS2 port, the DVI port, the VSA port, the USB port, the LAN port, And these three ports are the mic, line in, and speaker port. So that's all, and thank you.